how's it going? Another video for The Roads Here Suck behind the scenes here. Previously we've talked about making a The Roads Here Suck episode, then we've talked about uploading it, how I upload it, what do I tag, how does it look like, so on and so forth. And then, now what I'm going to do is just briefly talk about how to manage the video, I guess. So the video has been up, and let's go here to the community tab. This will give us comments. You see that? All the comments. And this is what I was up to. But the idea is, I wait about maybe 1 or 2 days, and then I start replying to all of the comments that I have accumulated. Right? And you can tell that I have 20 notifications. So that's probably from replies to comments that I have made to videos or other things along those lines. So yeah, the last thing to do now is to just check this comments tab in the community every 2 days or so. Lately I have been incredibly busy, so it's been hard for me to reply to everything, but I try to stay on top of things. And yeah, and that's it. Just reply to all the comments, and that's all there is to it. So I apologize for the fact that this video was short. There's just not much to say, because this is just what I do. See, on one hand, it should be in the behind the scenes, because obviously people should know that how I answer comments is not through notifications, but through the comments page. And what I do is I scroll down, see where I've left off, and then scroll up and then answer comments. So, inevitably sometimes I miss some comments, like replies to replies from 10 days ago, for example, simply because I just don't read the notifications because I get so many notifications. But yeah, on one hand, it should be in the behind the scenes because it's part of what I do with the videos. On the other hand, it's a short video, so I hope it's alright, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one.